we're going to work on advanced uses for the switch kick. So the switch kick again, okay? Fast motions, I can stay right here without moving.
You're hitting more with the ball of the foot.
Absolutely.
So the tip of the shoe is bending back. You're just not worried about being able to bend it because you're hitting.
Exactly. So if I'm here, so a lot of times when I'm jabbing, my opponent is going to try to counter with a right hand. Not always, but that's very usual. I'm jabbing, and you can just do that as just a normal combination. Okay, let's cross, and my head's out of the way. There you go. One other variation is if I jab, I'm doing a switch side kick. Right to the knee as he's coming in. There it is. So now we're going to work on, see, it's already going to suck. I'm just like, hey!